Next problem. Evaluate integral of sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. Okay. Actually, this is the substitution model. First, this is converted into substitution model. How we convert this problem into substitution model? I am explaining. Integral of numerator sin power 4x is take it as this. Numerator sin power 4x is take it as this. Cos power 6x can be written as this. Cos power 6x can be written as cos power 4x into cos square x dx. Okay. This cos power 6 can be written as cos power 4 into cos square x. Bases are equal, power should be added. 4 plus 2 is 6. We get cos power 6 only. Okay. Now this can be written as integral of sin by cos. Sin by cos is a tan. So we can write this tan power 4x. Okay. Sin power 4x by cos power 4x can be written as tan power 4x, and remaining one more cos square x here. This cos square x is taken to numerator, becomes secant square x. Secant square x, this dx is taken as this. Now it becomes the substitution model. In the substitution model, what we have the differentiation, that is take it as a t. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. So we take tan x is equal to t only. Okay, tan x differentiation is secant square x. We take tan x is equal to t. Tan x differentiation is secant square x is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. This dx is a transfer this side. It becomes secant square x into dx is equal to we get dt. So secant square x into dx is we get dt. Substitute in this problem. Now it becomes integral of tan x is we take it as t power 4 into secant square x dx is dt. Secant square x into dx is dt. Now this is in the form of integral of x power m dx. Integral of x power m dx formula is integral of x power m dx is equal to formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. In this problem we are applying this formula. Okay. That implies integral of t power 4 dt is here n equal to 4. That implies t power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. That implies t power 5 by 5 plus c. But t is equal to tan x. That implies tan power 5x by 5 plus c. Okay. This is the answer for this problem. Next problem. Integral of sin of tan inverse x into tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Integral of sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. First this is converted into substitution model. That implies integral of sin of tan inverse x. Sin of tan inverse x whole divided by 1 plus x square into, this can be written as into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now it becomes substitution model. Here also what we have the differentiation, that is take it as the t. Tan inverse x differentiation is, we know that is 1 by 1 plus x square. So we take tan inverse x is the t. Tan inverse x is equal to, we take it as t. Tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Okay. This dx is a transfer this side. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. So we get 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is we get dt. Substitute in this problem. That implies integral of sin of tan inverse x is, what is the tan inverse x here? Tan inverse x is t into 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is we take it as dt. So this is in the form of integral of sin x dx. We have the formula in the integration. Integral of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus Substitute this formula here. Integral of sin t dt is minus cos t plus c. But t is equal to what? Cos of t equal to tan inverse x plus c. Okay. This is the answer for this problem. Next problem. This is also one of the substitution model. Integral of 1 by root over sin inverse x into root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. This is also one of the substitution model. This can be written as, first of all, this can be written as integral of 1 by root over sin inverse x into root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay. This can be written as 1 by root over sin inverse x into root over 1 minus x square dx. What we have the differentiation, that is take it as t. Sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So we take sin inverse x is equal to t. Sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root over 1 minus x square is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. That implies 1 by root over 1 minus x square into this dx is a transfer this side into dx is equal to dt. 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx is we get only dt. Substitute here in this problem now. That implies integral of 1 by root over sin inverse x is root over sin inverse x is we take it as t into 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx is we get dt. Now this is in the form of integral of 1 by root x dx. Integral of 1 by root x dx is equal to integral of 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 root x plus. Now apply this formula in this problem. Okay. That implies 2 root, in place of x here we have t, so 2 root t plus. After the integration we are adding integral constant plus. But t equal to what? T equal to sin inverse x plus. Okay. This is the answer for this problem.